everyone and welcome back. Today we have another unboxing for you. It is the new Ninja Slushi.
Let's not waste any time and let's get straight into the video. So let's have a quick look at some of the things that are on the box. It includes the motor base with the Whisper Chill compressor, 2.5 litre vessel with pour handle, 1.9 litre max liquid fill capacity, 5 presets, temperature control settings, professional grade auger system, a condensation catch, 2-piece drip tray and an inspiration guide with 10 recipes. Then on this side we've got the 5 different types of slushies we can make: standard slush, cocktails, frappes, milkshakes and frozen juice. No ice, no blending, no dilution, just one touch frozen drinks. 2-year guarantee, as with a lot of Ninja products. Keeps drinks frozen for up to 12 hours with no dilution. And there you have the 5 presets again and the temperature control on the front there. And it even has a rinse cycle, easy to clean with dishwasher safe parts. Rapid chill technology, liquid is rotated 360 degrees around a chilling cylinder to maintain the ideal temperature and texture. And then you've got the 3 steps there: 1 pour, 2 slush, 3 enjoy. Let's quickly flip it onto the other side to have a look what it says. So we've got the easy fill vessel, the comfort handle, the 2.5 litre capacity, versatility, fits an average margarita glass, drip tray removable, dishwasher safe, the Whisper Chill compressor, quietly keeps your Ninja Slushi treats at the perfect temperature and texture without disturbing the fun. The 5 presets, the temperature control. So let's stop talking and get this box open. So here we have the drip tray, I believe, power plug, and I'm guessing here is all the safety manuals and recipe guides, stuff like that. Yep. So important safety instructions. How to host the perfect frozen cocktail hour. So this is just telling you about how to make your alcoholic slushies. A quick start guide, which is helpful. Telling you how to do your first use. Telling you how to make the different 5 presets. And then you've got the low sugar, high alcohol alerts on the machine. And it is worth mentioning that you cannot make a slushy drink without sugar. So be aware of that if you're interested in purchasing this. And then we have the Ninja Slushi 10 plus delicious recipes inspiration guide. So in here you've got all the different sort of Kickstarter recipes you will need: fruit slush, frozen cocktails, tips and tricks. There's your alcohol guidelines and the required sugar content. So these are some pretty need to know facts before you get started. Anyway, let's unravel the beast. So first things first, plug there. The off and on switch is at the back. At the front you've got the pouring handle, which obviously allows the slushy to pour out. You add your liquids up here, and then if you want to disassemble it, you pull this handle forward, which allows you to remove the container. If you want to clean the machine, clean the container, and then if you want to pop it back in, slide it in, and then pull back on the handle. On the side, you have the examples of the 5 different presets you can make. Slush, designed for transforming your everyday beverages. Frozen cocktails, designed for beverages with alcohol content. Frozen juice, designed for naturally sweetened beverages. Frappe, designed for coffee shop lovers to make frozen treats. And then milkshake, designed for dairy and creamier based beverages. It says here, for best results with frappe and milkshake presets, add 1 tablespoon of double cream per 450 milliliters of prepared drink. And there isn't really a lot to show on this machine, but oh, actually there's a little tip for you. So it says here, before plugging in, keep this upright for 2 hours. Unit must be level before first use, and it's indoor use only. So I mentioned briefly a minute ago in the manual about the low sugar alert as well as the high alcohol sugar alert. On the machine there's 2 different dials: descending temperature control and preset LEDs flash. Unit beeps, that is for low sugar. And then for the high alcohol sugar alert, it's an ascending temperature control and preset LEDs flash, unit beeps. How to fix this: dilute with 60 milliliters of water per serving and then press the preset twice. And then we'll finally flip it back round so you guys can see the front. We've got here on the left all the presets, so slush, frozen cocktail, frappe, milkshake, frozen juice. And then on the right there, we've got our temperature control panel. And then at the bottom, it says, for the best slush, scan below to get started. And then I almost forgot the drip tray, which when you're not using it, can actually slide onto the side. And then when you're ready to make your slushie, you simply slide it in at the bottom like so. There you have it. That was us unboxing the Ninja Slushi. If you'd like to see more content featuring this machine, leave us a comment down below.
In the meantime, why not click the link on the screen right now to see some more inspiration for frozen desserts.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you on the next one.